So this is for CMV Geenproof. When the test is done, you will go to analysis, apps quant, and then you choose the test. Okay, and then the color compensation will be the second choice. Okay. For the IC, we will check it on hex, and for CMV, we will check it on FAM. So for the IC now, we will see that they all have, there is an IC. And also you can check the CP values. They should be not more than 40 for the IC, and also there should be an IC in the negative control. So this is for the IC, and then after that we will save. And check for the CMV now. So for CMV we will do the same thing. It will be on FAM, and then here we will use the external standard curve, which is the CMV Geenproof. Okay, and then after that we will calculate and we will check the